The FOX54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Happy Sunday. You're taking a live look over I-20. Sorry, Ansley said something funny earlier. And we are just seeing very clear skies this evening, and we're continuing to see that. Lots of high pressure overhead, and that's keeping us nice and dry as well. Tonight we're dropping down to 37 degrees. It's going to be cool and dry, lots of dry air staying in place, but as we move into about Tuesday, we're going to start to see some showers build up into this forecast, but until then it is going to stay cool. 37 towards Augusta, 38 towards Waynesboro, 38 towards Sylvania, and 40 degrees over towards Washington. So a little bit warmer as we head up towards the northwest, cooler everywhere else. And you can see some of that darker blue along the river, still seeing some of that cooling along the Savannah River. So if you live closer to the river, it is going to be slightly cooler, maybe 35 degrees for this evening. 71 degrees is our high for tomorrow. This is about the temperature that we saw for today. And then we're going to see increasing clouds as we head into the afternoon and evening hours, and south-southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Mostly sunny skies for the day as well. We're going to see those increasing clouds after about 6 p.m. ahead of our next cold front. So this is what that cold front is going to look like for starting Tuesday morning, off with some stray showers, and that cold front moves through, is out of the area by the afternoon, which means showers are going to be out of the area as well into Wednesday. Then we look ahead to our next system, which is off towards Tennessee. So Wednesday we have that cold front starting to develop, low pressure overhead, and then for Thanksgiving, unfortunately, we're going to see those showers and even thunderstorms now build up into our area. That pushes out by Black Friday, and we'll see pretty favorable conditions, but also very cool temperatures. So what we're looking at for Thanksgiving, 71 degrees for the high. We're also seeing 43 degrees for that evening, and then showers and thunderstorms. The storms will start to die off into the evening hours, and then we see some steady rain for the rest of the evening. Cloudy skies, we're still seeing that percentage at about 60%. And then we head into Black Friday. Now this is going to be much cooler than Thanksgiving. 57 degrees for the high. That overnight and morning low going to be 29 degrees. And unfortunately, I got bad news. If you don't like the cold, we have even cooler air moving into our forecast and the entire United States when we get into the first week of December. So we have what's called a polar vortex starting to move through our area, and you can see that the polar air stays up towards the north near the poles, and then we have low pressure starting to dip into that polar air, which starts to drag down all of this cool air. So you can really see that definitive line where that cooler air is. And then as we move into Sunday and even into Monday next week, this is when we start to see that really chilly air hit Georgia, South Carolina, and even portions of Florida as well. So the temperatures looking very cool. You can see 29 degrees towards Omaha, 49 towards Augusta, and when we get into Thursday, then the weekend hits, and that's when temperatures really take a dive into the 30s, 40s, and then eventually the 30s again and back down to the 20s. So we have 27 towards Augusta, 27 towards Columbia, and 31 closer towards Charleston. 17 degrees could be near Asheville as well. So that's the first week of December. We have those possible 20-degree temperatures and lots of sunshine in our forecast as well. So unfortunately, Thanksgiving, a lot of people like to eat outside. We have the storms and showers, and then that starts to move on out for clear skies and cooler temperatures when we move into next weekend.